Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Coinbase Wallet for ERC-20 token transfers, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the Coinbase Wallet app downloaded on your device. Open the app and tap on Get Started to create a new wallet. Follow the prompts to securely set up your wallet with a strong password. Next, make sure to back up your recovery phrase in a safe location. This phrase is crucial for wallet recovery, so write it down and store it securely. After backing up your recovery phrase, you will be taken to your wallet dashboard. To transfer ERC-20 tokens, tap on the Receive button. Select the Ethereum network, as ERC-20 tokens are built on it. You'll see your Ethereum wallet address displayed on the screen. Share this address with the sender or copy it to your clipboard for later use. To send ERC-20 tokens, tap on the Send button located in your wallet. Enter the recipient's wallet address in the designated field. Choose the specific ERC-20 token you wish to send from the drop-down menu. Then, input the amount of tokens you want to transfer. Review the transaction details carefully before proceeding. Tap on the Next button to confirm your transaction. You may need to verify the transaction with your password or biometric authentication. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed on the blockchain. You can track the transaction status in the wallet's transaction history. After a few moments, the token should appear in the recipient's wallet. For receiving tokens, ensure the sender has your correct wallet address. Check the wallet balance to confirm successful transfers. This concludes the setup and transfer process for ERC-20 tokens using Coinbase Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.